So I've been looking after cats most of my life, and instinctively, I know what my cat wants just by the way he looks at me. So sometimes he'll look at me as if to say, can you let me out of the house so I can hunt a squirrel or a pigeon if it's Wednesday. Other times it will be, can you give me some food? Other times it will be, can you give me some affection? And that's all fine. But just recently, since I had a big row with the cat and he put his nose where he shouldn't have put his nose and I kicked the cat out and he took 3 days coming back, and when he did came back, he came back scowling at me, hissing. That look has changed now. It's different. I know what the cat wants. He wants revenge. Diabolical, malevolent, despicable, complete revenge. Because beneath that fluffy, adorable exterior beats the heart of a feline psychopath that wants to cause me pain. So much pain. Woke up in bed this morning. Cat was on my face. Not the front of the cat facing me, no. The back of the cat. And he lifted his tail. You don't want to see that when you wake up in the morning. A storm is coming. A storm is coming.